Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. Today I'm going to be reviewing the brand new Lululemon Blissfeel running shoes. I have had them for a week and I'm going to tell you my thoughts. What is so special about the Lululemon Blissfeel running shoes is that they are made specially for women. Lululemon has been innovating in women's activewear for decades. So when I heard they were coming out with a shoe, I knew that they were going to have great quality. That is something that Lululemon absolutely stands for. But when I heard how much went into them, I was so impressed. They actually did millions of foot scans to develop the prototype. They had 3 different versions with all different tweaks that they did, and they listened to feedback. They had people trying them out and letting them know what was good, what was bad. And here they are today. One main thing they do mention is the heel is narrower than a lot of other shoes, because a lot of times when they're developing women's shoes, they basically just take the men's and then change the dimensions for the women's. But these are a little bit narrower to really hold your heel in, and I can say that I really did notice a difference on these compared to some shoes that I've worn in the past. I do feel like my heel was hugged, but not in an uncomfortable way. The best way I can describe these is like walking on a cloud. That's just what I keep saying, what comes to mind. They are so cushiony soft. I have worn them for lots of different things. I haven't been running a lot, so I haven't worn them on long distance, but I've tried them lightly on a treadmill, jogging, and outside jogging, walking. I've worn them at work for 2 full work days, just walking around. I've worn them to the gym for different, I go to a burn boot camp, so a boot camp style workout. I did wear them on leg day. I know, there's different ideas on what type of shoe you should wear, and these are marketed specifically as a running shoe. So I'm not saying that you should necessarily wear them for all those things, but I wanted to try them because I know for my style of workout, I like a running shoe if it's gonna be a cardio day. I feel like I need that support in the arch and all that. So they will be coming out with other shoes, but I just wanted to see exactly how versatile these were for me. And I've loved them for everything. Just looking at the shoe, it's a really nice looking shoe. It has this really cool gradient detail, and there are so many spots where you do see the logo. The main one is this big one on the back. It's reflective silver on the black pair. It also has a logo on the tongue of the shoe. It also has a logo on the inside of the shoe. It has a logo there. And if you look really close, it also says Lululemon on the little strings of the ties, which I just think is so cute. I also love, they come in so many different colors. There's a bright orange, then there's some paler pinks. I also do have this box here. I also got them in white. This is the pair that I bought in store, but I did order them online, not realizing that my store was gonna carry them. They also have a fully black pair if you like more black on black. That looks really sleek. There is a silvery gray. I mean, they have so many colors. It's so cool. I really hope they come out with more. And a lot of the colors did go out of stock already, which is kind of crazy. It has this mesh upper that's very breathable. And then the foam inside is very cushiony. They say it's kind of a neutral shoe, so it's not super high arch, and it's definitely not flat either. But for me, I have a medium to high arch, and I felt like it definitely still had enough support. If you have high arches, you may find that you need some sort of insole, but for me, it was actually pretty good. So very breathable. The shoe is very light. I will put the weight of the shoe on the screen because I forget offhand. The one super weird thing that I did notice, the shoes did come untied for me a couple times, which is very rare. It's very rare that my shoes come untied. So I do recommend double knotting them because they are this rounded type of shoelace. So maybe it just has more slip to it, but I did notice they came untied a couple times, which is kind of unusual for me. But again, it is literally like walking on a cloud. They are so comfortable. I also just think they're so aesthetically pleasing. Like when you get the box, it's got the Lululemon, it has the logo on the front and back, just like so nice. Then you open it up and you have the paper inside for the Blissfeel. Let's just see. I'm really curious about this white pair now. Okay, so this box just came, they shipped super fast, which was really nice. It said it was gonna be like 5 to 9 days, but it would, what was it, like 2. It was only 2 days. So first of all, you have the Lululemon tape, you have the little logo on each side. I mean, it's just adorable. Oh my gosh, even the box inside has like Lululemon all inside. Okay, so I ordered, oh, this is important. I ordered an 8 and an 8.5. However, typically with running shoes, you do want to go up half a size. So when I was in store, I tried the 8.5 and they felt perfect. I think you do want to go up a half size, or just like if you always do that for your running shoes, go with your typical running shoe size. So I did order 2 pairs, but I'm definitely gonna go with the 8.5. I think that is great. And then for like, you know, work shoes, I usually wear like an 8. I thought I was an 8 all my life until I went to New Balance and got measured. So you can actually watch my New Balance video. If you're into sneakers, watch my New Balance video when I got my marathon running shoes, because that one's pretty cool. All right, so here we have the box. Again, very aesthetically pleasing. Open it up. So nice. You've got your tissue. And then, oh my God, look at the white. Like, it is so cute. All right, let's put this down so we can fully admire. So you have the logo, the silver. Oh my God, you even have a logo on the front and the bottom and on the tongue. White on white on white on white. If you are a white fanatic, you need these in white. These are so adorable. I also have my 880s by New Balance in white and black. I have 2 pairs, and I just throw them in the wash with some OxiClean, and I feel like it actually cleans really well. So if you're nervous about having white shoes, you would actually probably be surprised. You know, you're not gonna wanna wear them in the mud, but I typically wear them to the gym, and then I have worn them outside for runs, and I just throw them in the wash and they come out pretty good. So look at these, they are so cute. So that is my review, unboxing of the new Blissfeel sneakers by Lululemon. I really love them so far. I'm so excited to have this beautiful bright white pair. I think they're awesome shoes, and I can't wait to see what other ones they're gonna come out with. There is a training shoe, I think it's coming out in the summer, so I'm really excited for that. And if you are a man and you're feeling jealous, they are coming out with men's shoes in 2023, but I think it's time that the females actually get the attention first. I think we deserve it. So thank you to Lululemon for designing these shoes, because I'm already in love. I will definitely link them down below. Hopefully you can snag your size and your color of choice. But if not, one thing I always recommend is make an account and put them in your wish list in your size and color, and it will actually email you when they come back into stock. And another tip, if you know how sometimes they put stuff like certain colors on sale, put it in your basket, and then when it goes on sale, like keep stocking your basket and snag it. That is what I always do. If you love Lululemon, I have so many Lululemon videos from lately. I've been really obsessed, so you should definitely watch them next. I will make sure I have plenty of them linked for you, because I'm just becoming a Lululemon fanatic. But I also love all brands. So basically just subscribe. Like if you are an activewear junkie, just subscribe, because I love it all. I do not discriminate. So I really hope you enjoyed this. Make sure you're subscribed, give it a like, and I will see you in the next video soon. Have a great day, stay positive, bye.